Welcome to this ConedaKOR tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create additional fields for your entities and in this way include links and identifiers to other knowledge bases. ConedaKOR offers templates for entity types that already contain a small number of predefined fields, the properties. They allow you to enter individual information for each entry separately. You can enter further information via freely definable fields that you create according to your needs per entity type. You can either put in free texts or numbers and dates in these new fields, or use your own defined lists of standardized terms. It is also possible to refer to authority files and controlled vocabularies that are stored with a link in your database. ConedaKOR allows to flexibly add an unlimited amount of new fields to your entity types according to your needs. With Wikidata Lookup, ConedaKOR also supports the automated inclusion of further information from Wikidata. The implementation of additional fields is a simple process, which we will explain now. To add a new field to your entity types, click on Entity Types on the left side. Then you select the entity type you want to add your field to. On the left side of the template, you find two options, Fields and Generators. To add a field, click on the plus sign next to Fields. Then you can add information about your new field. You first assign a name for it and a label. The label defines the title that will be displayed with the entity later, while the name is not shown. Make sure to assign a name in lowercase letters. You can decide whether you want the added field to be displayed in the entries or just be part of the record when you are, for example, exporting your data from ConedaKOR. The use of authority files, for example the Virtual International Authority File or VF, helps to standardize your data and thus make it more searchable. You can also open up easy access to further information by linking these data entries. To create this linking, add a generator to your entity type. Click on the little plus next to Generator and put in a name for your generator. The name should correspond with the name of your field. Then you can fill in a directive for the generator which defines where the link is created from. More information on how to define the directive can be found in our user documentation. This is a basic way to incorporate generators and create links in your ConedaKOR database. Here are some examples from ConedaKOR installations that are using the fields and the generator tool for the linkage with authority files and other databases. This is the database for the Maya Image Archive. It holds research material and images of extensive research trips in the entire Maya region. This project uses the fields to, for example, create links to Zotero bibliography or the Getty Art and Architecture Thesaurus. In the ConedaKOR instance of the Institute for Art History at the University of Frankfurt, the fields are connecting to, for example, geonames, where you can visualize coordinates of locations on a map, and they also link to the knowledge base Wikidata. The inclusion of Wikidata goes even further in ConedaKOR. With the help of the Wikidata Lookup, you can automatically incorporate information from Wikidata as a generalized knowledge base into your database, and even apply the Wikidata statements to your ConedaKOR instance as relations between your entities. This way, you can easily incorporate entities in your database with the help of Wikidata and automatically create relations in the way they are defined in Wikidata as well. This facilitates data input. For more information on the use of fields and generators, as well as the Wikidata lookup, please consult the user documentation. Thank you for watching this ConedaKOR tutorial.